Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Renault Master. Now of course you get your LED daytime running lights, you then get automatic headlights as well. Then coming around to the side you also get these brilliant steel wheels as well. These are of course a 16-inch steel alloy. You do also have the centre caps as well. We've then got your side exit for the load space of the van, as you can see just here. Closing the side door again, coming out, showing you the rear alloy here. Then around to the back, we do have your split opening rear end. You've then also got the tow bar as well, as you can see there. Then opening the split tailgate, you can now see the sheer amount of space that you do get inside of here. It is rather large, as it is the high roof as well, so you can, as a 6 foot person, someone that is 6 foot, you can stand up straight inside the load space of the van. Then coming around again, showing you the rear wheel just here. Now coming into the front of the cab, as you see, you've got your little step up. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your central locking, eco and terrain mode on the left. We've got AM, FM and digital radio. You then also got your media, so you can choose between auxiliary or your Bluetooth on there as well. Coming over to the steering wheel, we don't have any buttons on there to keep it nice and simplistic. You've got your automatic headlights on the indicator stalk. You've then got automatic screen wipers, and your media controls are just below. This van has only done 10,429 miles. We're jumping back outside now. Oh, showing you the last remaining wheel. If you do of course require any further information on this Renault Master, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.